let's see. Check the pins.
But the pin looks like it's kind of...
The pin is still out. So how would you get it to go in?
We have to kind of rock it, don't we?
Yep, go for it. And so now she knows to come do the handle and make sure the pin is out before she pulls into one of these spots over here. Okay. All right, now look, what just popped up?
The pin.
Okay, so now you're good to go ahead and back this. And now they are going to back this truck in. Let's time lapse this. Get out and look. Into this spot. Tandems are to the dirt. Here we go. It's starting to rain. This is called a right side back. She ran out of room. Oh, she got to figure it out. There she goes. She only got a little bit of room. And she should get out and look. But her tent, the back of the trailer's here. And then we have this line. So if she started turning right now because her tandems are there, she would overshoot it. There she goes. I told her I'll watch this side for her. She's gonna roll that window down in just a minute. I'm in between here, so I'm safe. What you don't see is me asking her open-ended questions, not giving her the answer. Here we go. She's almost there. In trucking, every inch matters.
All right, so my student came out. I was trying not to get her. She's okay with it, but she wants to be able to show her mom this too, and her dad. So figure why not make a long form video out of it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, here we go. So you see she has this much room, so I don't need to be right there. I'm just here to kind of watch and make sure she's good. She's going back first because she knows to follow her tandems, not the back of her trailers. My customer is okay with us using all this space because no one's coming right now. We're in, look at the clouds. Who can guess? If you can guess, I'll give you a $25 Starbucks gift card. And I'm not going to tag the location. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. She's thinking.
I would recommend she get in front of it. Start turning the wheel the opposite direction. So she's probably going to pull forward right now. Look at that. Go. Get out and look. Amen. All right. All right. So they know that they got to pull up just a little bit because let's zoom on this spot right here. See? They're just going to fix it a little bit, and then they're going to slide right in there. I think you see the cab extenders, these? This is the cab extender, and this flap right here is to make sure it doesn't damage the truck. But she has had hours and hours of practice and driving. And right now she's doing a 3x3, which is you turn your wheel all the way to the right. You go forward 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now you turn your wheel all the way to the left. You go back 3 seconds until you get in front of the trailer. Look nice and slow. So yes, they did come out and look. They got this much room and this much room right here, okay? Nice and slow. I coached her and asked her a few questions. They pulled up and gonna set up a little bit better. And I did ask, hey, do you want me to do it? They said no. They want to do it themselves, and we have plenty of time. So she called me and asked me to come make sure this spot right here. Gotta let the air pressure build up. But in the meantime, where'd it go? There it is. There it is. Look at that. So what do you want to do now? Yep. And then go pull in front of it, right? You should be able to go all the way back now. That's the trucker right there. Set it up for a straight back. So it's nice and even on each side. All your room. You good? It was tight, but with a little bit more help, she was able to get it in. Now she's doing the serpentine to move the trailer over to the right just a little bit so she doesn't have to do everything again. Serpentine is a snake, just like the name. Okay. And then she just gets in front of it by doing the straight back. Oops, sorry. You have to have patience. This took maybe 20 minutes, but that's really good. We got to get it down to under 15. We still have 2 more weeks and then probably another week just of extra training. So I feel she's ready and she feels she's ready too. We can train up to 8 weeks if needed. Perfect.